Hello folks, so this review, a quick review for my multi-tool DeWalt. Now, this multi-tool that one I have is the model DWE 315. This is the EU version with 230 volts power supply and the consumption around 300 watts, so it's quite powerful. Now, what are the advantages of this tool? I would say the first one is that you can change your speed using your button. Yeah, just press the button. There is no any other first, second, or third gear as you can see on any other brands. I think this is the big advantage for this multi-tool. Another big advantage, the second, I would say, it's LED lights that you can see on the top of the tool. I wouldn't say it's quite powerful. I would say it's middle range, but yes, you can see the surface that you're working on. The third advantage, I would say, will be the system that provides you to change the blades. For example, this one, the DeWalt blades, original ones. You can change it just within the seconds. You just press the button and then you can apply. Also, you can see that you should apply some force on this blade because the spring is quite powerful in here. You can see it here. So you should apply forces, I don't know, maybe using the two hands. In my case, it's quite powerful. The third advantage of this multi-tool, I would say, in my case, it's a corded version. So the cord has length about 10 feet or 3 meters. And the material of which is made the cord is quite impressive. I would say it's quality, it has quality. Now, in my case, I have the UK version. This is the socket from UK. You can see the fuse for 10 amps. So you can use it, and it's for your safety made, I think. Another advantage, I would say, that when you buy this tool, you can choose the model with the kit and some blades that are supplied with this kit or set, whatever you say. Now, in my case, the first one is for the wood, HCS. You cannot use it for working for metal, just the wood. Another blade is as a sharpener. You can see you can use for sharpness or something like that. This is the blade using for the woodworking with the 90 angle if you want to use it. Also, in my case, I had some experience using the B metal blade. Unfortunately, you cannot use it with the metal. Actually, you can use it only for the wood. For example, I had a nail, and as you can see, the blade didn't have success. So it's actually died. The blade, yeah. Another blade that you can see within your kit is this one, which is made for the wood. It's quite thin, I think around 10 mil. Yeah. And also you have some blades using for a scraper. You can scrap some floor if you have some task like that. And obviously you can use another attachment that are included within your kit. Is you can work on your surface. There's around 20 of those within your kit, so you can use it wherever you want. Also, I would say another advantage for this kit that you can use this adapter and you can set a specific dip for your work, say around 4" or 10 centimeters deep. So it's quite precise and you can use it wherever you want. Also, there are some adapters that you can use with your vacuum. This is the smallest one, and this is the biggest one. Yeah, it's just applied within your system. You just connect your vacuum and you can say goodbye to your dust. Now, what I say, I would advise you to buy additional blade. In my case, this is a DeWalt for metal surface. It's made for titanium. I think it's around 4 mil. This is the surface. It's this blade specifically designed to work for the metal. Now, if you're looking for number, spell number, it will be DT20707. Yeah, this one. And I didn't test it yet. Yeah, but I'm intending to. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe there are some tests for this blade because I'm intending to use it on nails and some screws. Now you can see you can use this blade for DeWalt, Bosch, Makita, and Milwaukee. And obviously you can use it for corded or cordless tools, wherever you want. Now, I think that another advantage I would say is that there's no so much vibration when you're working on this machine, on this multi-tool. Also, the button that you push, you can choose wherever speed, wherever you're looking for. About the weight, I would say it's quite heavy. It has around 1.5 kilo. So I wouldn't say it's a light multi-tool. And also, as I mentioned, the vibration are very low. So after working some 1 hour or two, your hands are not so tired as you expected to. So I think this is the big advantage from the DeWalt brand. Now, the question about which tool should I use, using the corded multi-tool or the cordless. I would say if you're working several hours within one day, you should go for the corded version. If you're using for several minutes or just several times within 1 year, I think you can buy a cordless using 18 volts or 20 volts system, depending on wherever you're in Europe or North America. And yeah, I think if you have a grinder, I think the second tool will be the multi-tool, which you can use within your DIY projects or whatsoever. Please comment if you do have this multi-tool. What's your experience? Any positive or negative parts? Comments on this multi-tool. Thanks, guys. Cheers.